Welcome to our channel. Discover the simplest way to fix a Regions Bank wire transfer problem fast, without the stress. Welcome to our channel. If you are experiencing issues with a Regions Bank wire transfer, don't worry, we're going to walk through an easy step-by-step approach to resolving common problems quickly. First, make sure you have all details related to the transfer handy, including the exact account numbers, routing numbers, transfer amount, and the date the wire was initiated. The next step is to identify the nature of the problem. Is the wire transfer delayed, showing incorrect information, or completely missing? Identifying this helps you communicate the issue clearly when you contact customer service. After pinpointing the problem, visit Regions Bank's official website or use their mobile app to check for any notices about wire transfer delays or technical issues, which can sometimes affect processing. Next, gather any confirmation emails or transfer receipts you have as proof of initiation. These documents are vital in case you need to escalate the issue during your call to Regions Bank's customer service. Remain calm and concise. Provide them with all the gathered details and proof of your transaction. Ask them to confirm if the wire transfer was received and processed at their end. If there is an error on their side, request specific information about how and when they will resolve it. In situations where the customer service representative cannot resolve your problem, immediately ask politely. Escalate the call to a supervisor or the wire transfer department. Persistence is key, but always maintain a polite tone. If you prefer, you can also visit a local branch to discuss the issue in person. Sometimes face-to-face interaction speeds up the resolution process. Another handy tip is to confirm if any regulations or policies have recently changed regarding wire transfers which could impact your transaction. Finally, once the problem is fixed, request confirmation via email or text so you have documented proof the issue was resolved. Keep this information for future reference and monitor your account closely for the next few days. Following these straightforward steps will help you regain control over your Regions Bank wire transfer trouble swiftly and with confidence. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more useful banking tips and solutions.